When you're looking for successful business meetings or events,
Wilderness Hall is the complete convention destination.
from small boardroom meetings of just 10 people
To grand receptions for 2,000, Wilderness Hall opens you up to endless possibilities.
The Lodge at Sawmill Creek Resort was already well known for having a large connected hotel and conference facility. Moving into the 21st century, President Greg Hill realized that in order to meet the changing needs of our clients, the Lodge needed to offer more function space with high-tech capabilities.
With the opening of Wilderness Hall, we are armed and ready with an experienced staff and now the facility to tap new markets. This region needs an alternative to the Urban Convention Center, one that is large enough to do trade shows, but still has a relaxed atmosphere like in a resort so that we can handle focused meetings.
Wilderness Hall has 16,000 square feet of unobstructed, flexible space that can be utilized for trade shows, conventions, or banquets. The unique design allows it to be divided into 8 smaller meeting rooms. With a total of 36,000 square feet, the Lodge can now accommodate groups of up to 2,000 people.
Get away from the traditional banquet room setting. Sawmill Creek offers unique venues for that memorable event. For outdoor gatherings, choose the poolside terrace, Wilderness Creek, or a tent overlooking the front marina. For a special indoor setting, choose a room with a fireplace or a private sports bar, complete with pool table, dartboard, and 4 televisions to view the game of the week.
The Lodge is committed to staying current with the latest in digital, video, and audio capabilities. With high-speed internet connections in every meeting room and an on-site AV technician, we can ensure a smooth and organized event.
The staff at Sawmill Creek Resort is serious about the success of your next meeting. To find out more about the services and facilities at Sawmill Creek Resort, call our sales department at 1-800-SAWMILL or visit us online at sawmillcreek.com.